But that was never my drug.
I'll fucking kill you!
No, Mr. Jimenez, I'm gonna kill you tonight. For what you did to my mother. It's kind of fitting, don't you think?
Dexter, hi. Look, I'm sorry to bother you. And I'm sure this is nothing, but I was just wondering if by chance you were at my house.
Well, no.
Well, it's just that the door was open and you're the only other one with a key.
Rita, get out of the house. Call the police. I'll be there as soon as I can.